You are welcome once again. Today too, I want to show you how you can use the scientific calculator to solve any indices question. Yes, any indices question. Now let's look at this kind of question. This indices question. The question says if 3 exponent x equal to 243, find the value of x. Find the value of s. So when you meet a question like this, especially in OBJ, yes, you have to do it simple with the calculator. So let's start. First of all, you type the equation. Yes, you type the equation. So we have 3 exponent exponent. So to get the exponent, you press on this sign s, this sign so okay, so now what is the value there? There's an alphabet x. So to get the s, you press on the alpha button and then you press on this sign, you see. Have you see the s there? Then you press there, you see. Then after that, you move the button, you press here to move the button to the down. Okay, then what is there? The next one is equal sign. So you see equal sign. So now for you to get the equal sign, you press on this alpha, then you press this one. Have you see the equal sign here? You press there. When you press there, you see. Good. So and then the next value is 243. So 243. So this is how you type the equation. 3 exponent x equal to 243, and the question says find the value of s. So now for you to get the answer and for you to get the final answer, you press shift and then you press the equal sign. Okay, yes. So when you press the equal sign, solve for s, the value is what? 5. The value is what? 5. So the value is what? 5. Okay, so the final answer for x is what? 5. So now this one is an OBJ question in Wesi pass question. Okay.